I'm gonna show you exactly how to get thousands of dollars for your business that you never have to pay back. You need to make sure that you watch this till the end because I'm going to get you up to $100,000 in grant money for your business. And no, this is not credit card debt. I want us to stop believing that the only way to get business funding is through 0% APR credit cards. No, stop getting your business in debt. Stop believing these hacks out there that are telling you business funding is getting a 0% APR credit card with American Express, Chase. No, that is what you get once you have business and you have revenue. Don't waste that chance. Don't waste that 0% APR when I'm going to teach you exactly how to get free grant money for your business, no matter the size. And a special shout out to one of our subscribers out there that came up with this great idea. He said, Mike, can you please find us grant money for our business? And I said, man, this is a great one. I've got a huge source and I can probably help you get thousands of dollars in grant money very simply. Now, the problem is there's a lot of scamming companies out there that are talking about, oh, I'll get you a grant. I'm a grant writer. I could do this with grants. I could do that. And I will be honest with you, like a lot of them, more than 95% of them are all a scam. I found the top source for grant money for your business. I've been working with them now close to a year, and they've been helping a lot of my clients actually get grant money for their business. And it's a very simple process. So let me show you all the available grants and then how you can actually get started and use this also for your business. Now, you need to make sure that you're always prepared whenever you're going to apply for any type of business grant. You need to show that you actually own the business. I know that's a shocker, right? I felt like I had to cover that one. You need to show who are all the owners. If you are the only owner, you need to have all your registrations for your state. You need to have your tax returns, your business bank statements, all of the necessary documents if they ask you for them. Every single grant is going to be different, but you don't want to go in there thinking, oh, I don't need to show anything, and then you waste your time and then you get disappointed. So make sure that you are prepared and get all your ducks in a row. So the first grant that I'm going to show you is Kinetic Business Grant, up to $2.5 thousand for Black-owned businesses. Now, this is great because there is no due date. This is a rolling actual grant. Now, what are the requirements for this grant? You must be a new or current small business customer within their service area. Your small business must be Black-owned and have 25 or fewer employees. You must not be currently engaged in bankruptcy proceedings. Your small business must be an approved for-profit business. You may not apply on behalf of multiple small businesses or receive multiple awards. Now, what happens is this takes you to an external website where you can see that they offer the different grants and different services. Now, once we go to Kinetic Business by Windstream, I'm going to scroll down. It's going to tell you right there that you actually do have the opportunity to apply for an actual business grant if you do actually qualify and all the requirements. But you scroll down, I really like the part where it says how your company can benefit from the Black Business Fund support, free business internet, a grant up to $2,500, and a free business consultation. We help your business improve efficiencies and boost your bottom line. I love all of this. So this is one of the grants that you can work on if you are a Black-owned business. But don't worry, there's so many more. All right, so I have a big one right here. This is called Innovate Together Grant. So the BGV and TikTok Innovate Together Grant program is a collaborative effort between Black Girl Ventures and TikTok. Stands as a transformative initiative with the overarching goal of empowering small business owners, entrepreneurs, and content creators. The program will provide $2.5 thousand to $10,000 grants to creators who possess the prowess to craft captivating content resonating with target audiences. Here's how it works. So let's go over the requirements. You must be 18 years or older. Now, you must have an active TikTok account. You must be able to deliver the project within 3 months of receiving the grant. Reporting is required. Now, you must be available to attend an in-person business development training March 22nd to the 24th. Flight and lodging will be covered. Now, this is set to expire on 2/29/2024. So if you're interested, you must apply for this grant before the 29th of this month. So make sure to go get that $10,000, or it's $2.5 to $10,000, which is a pretty significant amount of money for any small business. Now, here's one of the biggest ones that I came across today. $60,000, Barclays Small Business Big Wins. Now, Barclays U.S. Consumer Bank is hosting its 4th annual Small Business Big Wins contest. This year, small business owners have the chance to win up to $60,000 to help fund their small businesses. Applicants should submit a 500-word story detailing their journey to entrepreneurship on the grants page. Seems pretty simple, right? Now, this is the crazy part about this. They're doing up to 60 grants, ranging from 2,000 all the way up to 60,000. That's 60 opportunities here, ladies and gentlemen. Now, what are the requirements? You must be a US-based small business, pretty obvious, right? Must have less than 5 million in annual revenue, must have less than 100 employees, provide a photo and 500-word story of your business, and applications are due March 4th. So you need to get on this. This is a huge one. Now, this is what I love about this platform. It's going to tell you the details, the insights, the application, and the reviews. So when people go through the actual application process with these grants, they leave the reviews. They tell you how easy it was, how bad it was, how long it took. This is the best part about this platform. They don't try to hide anything from you because they're trying to make everything very transparent and very easy for you to use. If that's not enough for you, don't you worry. I have more.
Sensational.
Last part's the most important. I got another good one here. We have the AI Innovation Grant for $10,000 is open to all entrepreneurs and small business owners in the United States. Regardless of the stage or size of their business, unleash the potential of your AI innovation with our $10,000 AI Innovation Grant, designed to empower visionaries and pioneers in the field of artificial intelligence. Whether you're already using AI or thinking about using AI for your business, you should consider applying, and here's how you qualify. Now, you must be a US-based entrepreneur and small business owner, 18 plus, are invited to apply. Now, when you're going to apply, all you have to do is answer all of the questions on the actual questionnaire, and you must apply by 3/15 of 2024, so you have plenty of time to go apply for this. We are up to $82.5 thousand in grant money for your business. If you're ready to apply for all these grants, make sure to comment skip to get started. But we're not done yet. Now we have the UPS Store Small Business Challenge. It's time to enter your small business into the UPS Store Small Business Challenge for an opportunity to compete to win a share of the total prize pool of $35,000 for your business, a feature in Inc. magazine, and the opportunity to introduce your business to a national audience at a live event in Miami, Florida. Now, what are the requirements for this specific grant pool? Now, you must be a US resident and 18 or older, must own and operate an independent, non-franchise small business, 9 or fewer employees, and you must apply by March 8th of 2024. Very simple. Next, we have the small break for small business, 150 $10,000 grants for small business owners. Now, ASEAN Opportunity Fund, LegalZoom, the WNBA, the NBA, the NBA G League have joined forces to provide entrepreneurs across the country with grants and LegalZoom services to support their small businesses. 150 small businesses will receive $10,000 grants and a LegalZoom product of their choosing. 3,000 emerging entrepreneurs will receive a LegalZoom product of their choosing. So how do you qualify is a question. Now, you must be based in the United States, must have an annual revenue of less than $1 million, must have an active business bank account. $10,000 applicants must have been in business for at least 3 months and currently in operation. Now, emerging entrepreneurs must have less than 3 months of operating history. Now, you must apply by September 13th of 2024. You have plenty of time, but this is a huge one with a lot of opportunity. Now, the last one up on the list right here is L'Oreal's Inclusive Beauty Fund. They're going to be giving out 20, again, I said 20, $10,000 grants for beauty entrepreneurs. Now, L'Oreal's Inclusive Beauty Fund and Hispanic Federation are partnering to award 20 one-time grants of $10,000 each to expand economic inclusion and empower beauty entrepreneurs across the United States. In addition to one-time funding, L'Oreal is committed to providing grantees with professional mentorship and business development support. Now, what are the requirements? Now, you must be legal resident of one of the 50 United States, 18 years or older, be a 4+ for-profit business located and registered in one of the 50 United States, be a business in the beauty and self-care industry, including salons, spas, barbershops, stylists, you get the drift, and be a business must be operational and have been in business for at least 2 years as of February 2024. Now you will have until 3/29 of 2024 to apply for this grant. I just gave you $137,500 worth of grant money for your business. Now the platform that has all of this in one place is called Skip. You can find them in the App Store, or if you comment Skip, I'll drop it in the comments for you also, and it'll be in the video description. Now Skip is 100% free for you to download, and you can see all of the different actual grants that they have. They also have lines of credit, SBA loans, other types of business loans that you could possibly apply for depending on your actual personal credit and your business structure. Now you can also use Skip to help you apply. So you can use the free version or you can do the paid version. I would highly suggest that you have a professional help you do this, because you can apply to many more actual grants and do them on your own, or you could do a paid version of the app and use the AI. They have AI technology in there that helps you actually apply, answer all the different questions, and structure it properly for you. So don't sleep on Skip. It is tremendous. It is groundbreaking, and that's why I brought it to you here today. I hope you enjoyed this video. We brought you a huge one to help you fund your business. Now make sure that you watch the next video, because it is about how to build business credit and an awesome new business product. Now, if you felt that I brought you a bunch of value in this video, please don't forget and subscribe to increase your credit score.